This is Chad and Dalton at Coyote Classics, and welcome back to another Wednesday walk around. The guys in the shop got 8 cars ready for us to picture and video today, so we're going to check those out, as well as see what's happening in the shop. And then we have a little surprise for you later in this video. We're going to be backing something out of the enclosed trailer that's pretty neat. So stick around and let's check some of these cars out. We're going to start at the end of the line, work our way up. Start with this Fairlane that you seen in the shop last week.
Yeah, this is not a typical car that we buy here, but I bought this 1956 town sedan in a big package of cars, and after we got this buffed out and the way this drives, I'm super glad we bought it. Yeah,
I like the car a lot. One that, my favorite truck on the lot, we have a couple of them, but this is definitely takes the cake for me. 72 Super Cheyenne, 50,000 original miles, runs and drives perfect, beautiful interior. Pretty special truck all the way around, so that's going to be going up on the site today.
Love the houndstooth, and this one has working air, factory. How about this one, 1967 Chevelle SS clone, beautifully done. I love the stance and the tires, wheels, 4-speed, big block, power steering, and resale red.
Yeah, painted beautifully as well.
How can you walk by this one? A 1979 Pontiac Trans Am clone. This started from the factory as a Firebird, but it's a T-top, beautiful car inside and out, and it's got a little surprise under the hood.
Yeah, LS engine in it, fast as hell, fun to drive. What more do you want in a Trans Am? I just watched Smoking the Bandit for the first time ever the other day, believe that or not. I was watching that movie and it made me want to own one of those.
For sale.
Yep. So is this.
Yeah, this is the nicest car we have on the lot right now. 1970 Charger, Gator top, beautiful dog dish hubcaps, power steering, power disc brakes, 446 pack. Man, this has got it all. Factory bucket seats, center console, automatic.
Check out that, Brady. Just
wow.
Done to a super high standard.
1957 Chevy. This one came in that package just as the same with the 56 Ford four-door town sedan, but this is a whole different level 50s car.
Yeah, great sound, super fast, just a resto mod, if you will, but definitely special, and I love the color.
Actually, I heard you drive. I called you this morning and talking, all of a sudden I thought Dalton was in a wreck. All of a sudden I heard things were just, I was kind of worried, and you said, no, I'm just driving the 57 higher at the stop sign.
Yep.
A 1968 Mustang convertible, beautiful wheels, front disc brakes, power top. I mean, just a stunning convertible.
And then another gorgeous Mustang, the 65 right here. Beautiful restoration on it. Nice all the way around. You seen Tim buff this thing out last week. It turned out fantastic.
Yeah, this one won't last long as soon as we get this on the website.
Yeah, and a 4-speed. How about this 1957 Chevy Corvette?
Done in a beautiful original 58 color on this one, Dalton, but still a factory color for a Corvette. Brand new wide white wall tires and their radials, V8 dual quad 4-speed.
It's faster, doesn't disappoint. Usually, you know, you think of this car, you'd think it'd be kind of on the slow end of things.
Yeah.
Chad took off and it just rips.
Yeah, it was freaking crazy. I didn't get it over third gear, but first, second, and third just freaking laid the mail. It's awesome car and a really nice driver condition. You know what I mean? It ain't a top tier concourse car, but it's a show quality driver, something a guy can jump in and drive and really enjoy. And I can't wait to see when these guys get it lightly buffed, get it detailed. Great 57 Corvette, Dalton.
Yeah, and this whole line is our new inventory that just came in this week, or some of them today. So you'll have to check back next week and you can watch, you know, how these transform as they go through our shop and towards our website. This Camaro, 69 Camaro, it's got the Z emblems and stuff on it. Really great sounding car. I like the stance of it a lot.
This one drives great too. It's got show quality paint from bumper to bumper. Not crazy about the weld wheels, so we're putting on some American Racing torque thrust, raised white leather tires. Gonna go ahead and put a new rosewood steering wheel on it as well. But other than that, I mean, this is just a turnkey, show quality car with a 396 under the hood.
Yeah, gotta love big block power. And then next to the Corvette, which you don't see very often, is another car you don't see very often. A real deal 442 convertible.
1969. It's got a 455, another dual quad car. So out of these four, two of them have dual quads. Pretty neat, huh?
And this was originally a 455,
yes,
442 convertible as well.
And really highly optioned. It's got power windows, power locks, tilt wheel, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and just a whole lot of fun.
A very neat car.
Can't wait for this one. We buffed this. The paint looks amazing. Paint job. The previous owner had this for nearly 30 years down in Florida.
Very neat.
Yep. I love the stance too. Brand new tires and wheels on it.
This Mustang you just bought this morning.
Yeah. Hell yeah. The guy drove it right here. 71,000 actual miles. I just love these 88 GTs. You know, a lot of the movies when I was growing up as a young kid, these cars were featured in them, rap videos, all that kind of stuff. I mean, this was a big muscle car back in the day.
Yeah, they're neat, and this was a manual too, which is just how I want, you know, one of these cars. A lot of fun to drive.
Yeah, I can't wait to buff this one out. It hasn't been buffed probably in 25 years. I'm guessing it's probably a lot of its original paint still. Very nice interior, and it drives perfect.
Yeah, I'm excited about that one.
Yeah, make sure you watch next week's video, because all four of these cars, we're going to go ahead and highlight them going through the shops, and hopefully I'm all finished by next Wednesday.
Timmy, what you got going on?
Doing some door panels. They got the holes off, so I got to recut them.
You got the holes off from the factory or the reproduction?
From the factory, yeah. Let's see how far they're off.
Jeez. So new parts don't always mean good parts.
No, they don't. But you can't afford the OEM stuff, so the aftermarket, you got to make a little adjustment and go with, right, Tim?
Yep.
What are some of the other things you like to do here? I mean, heck, you're doing a door panel right now. It's, you know, I don't think they've seen you do those. So what other kind of things do you do here?
Seat covers.
Seat covers? Yeah, we watched Timmy do a seat cover. Beautiful job on the Mustang seat covers.
Paint interiors.
Yeah.
Dashes.
Tim kind of does it all. You know,
all the shit no one else wants to do, Tim. Don't you? Huh?
Pretty much.
Pretty much. Pretty
No,
much.
he's great at it.
Yeah,
It takes patience for a lot of that shit.
It does. Anyway, this 70 Chevelle, we kind of featured this a little bit. We got it in, sold it before we even got it detailed. Jay got it detailed. Wow, what a difference.
Looks really nice.
Did you want to watch that tester all fire up real quick?
Yeah, go for it. Sounds good. This one just came in today. Mike's already working on the check-in on it. 70 Chevelle, a lot of horsepower.
Oh, man, yep, go for it. Kind of rev it up a little bit.
Here's what we just find out there, Mike.
So, I guess the alternator isn't charging correctly, and I believe what that squeak was that you heard is the power steering pump.
Well, that pretty much sucks that whole front end up. So this whole setup is pretty much needs to be replaced.
You've got three main pieces and two of them are broken.
Yeah. So now what?
We'll just have to look into it more, just make sure. We don't want to jump all the way to conclusions right away.
Yeah, let's not do that. Why don't we, who knows, maybe something, do some testing or something, maybe something coming down,
It's
huh?
just kind of part of the diagnostics thing. We're just checking one thing after another, and
Here's another thing I'm sure we'll hopefully do here. You got an orange wire that looks like shit there, doesn't it? Doesn't really go with the program under here. So
yeah, if you look inside here, down low, this is one of Chad's biggest pet peeves.
Hates wires.
He sees that, and if we don't take care of that, that's a real
ass
chewing coming my way.
what a nice car, though. I just seen it this morning when I came in. It's the first time I came in last night. Looked at the dash, the SS dash and everything. Obviously, it's probably a clone, but what a cool car. Big block. I love the wheels, tires.
Paint looks great. Wheels look great.
Tilt wheel, factory tack gauges, brand new SS stuff. So,
Cool.
yeah, this one's going to be really sought after here in about a week when this thing goes on. So,
I can't wait to drive it. Sure seems like it'll be a lot of fun once we get it sorted out.
you got a crack in the windshield or no?
Yeah, there is one right up here.
All right, I'll have to get one of those coming. All right, it's always something, guys. I mean, that's the thing. This is a great car, comes in, but still needs just a lot of stuff, you know?
Yeah,
They do.
We're really drawing the line between a car that's good and a car that's great here. So
Yeah.
there's a lot of cars out here just out in the wild on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist that, you know, they're just good, but we bring them in, we really nitpick the hell out of them.
Yeah.
And we make them great.
Awesome.
That's what we're selling.
You're exactly right. I mean, just stuff like this. I mean, put new wiper blades on them. Just, you know, when a customer gets them, the first thing they use their wipers and scratch the hell out of their new windshield that I'm going to put in. It's, you know, so stuff like that. But thank you so much, Mikey. You have a good day, all right?
We got Ford and Chevy in here.
1970 Boss 302. We've had a lot of people ask about this. It came in, we put the wheels, tires on it, great car. Got ready to take it to detail and the freaking thing wouldn't shut off, right?
Yep.
So
Yeah, I went to start it to move it around and it just, you know, starter wouldn't disengage.
So we put into ignition in that right now, and then this one will go over to Jay for detail here in a couple days. But this is a numbers matching 302 engine, just a fastback, not a real boss, but freaking car handles like it's on rails, super solid underneath, rust free.
Look pretty hard in thought, so we'll let them stay there. But
Yeah, we're not gonna mess with them because we don't have nothing.
that's a pain in the
I
ass
don't
when it
like
comes to count.
dashes, doing dash work, and I sure the hell don't like doing steering column.
No.
Uh-oh.
What's going on?
Nothing today. It ain't too wild today.
Not too wild.
Pretty calm today.
Brant's on vacation, so
Grant's on vacation.
you don't have no one to...
My bad influence is on vacation.
You're telling me today how pain in the ass it is to go through all them wheels, but
Yeah,
it looks good.
you gotta go in between all these spokes and stuff like the other ones.
You can tell
It takes
what
a
you've
little
done and
while.
what you
Yeah,
are yet to
the
yet.
other one's too done.
Yeah, so they
This is a good one here.
This is a good one. Little
Yeah.
red chili pepper.
What?
Little red chili pepper.
chili pepper.
Yeah.
Little red chili
Little
pepper.
Chili pepper.
I like it.
Hey, who the
That's
hell
creative.
last week or 2 weeks ago gave us a good one for a red one? You remember that?
That or
Who did that?
oh, was it black and blue? Should
Cherry.
have called her black and blue.
Little red cherry.
I like it, Jay. It's a
I
good
like-
one.
I like chili pepper. You were prepared today. Good job, Jay. Attaboy.
But here's how they turn out. I mean,
Holy smokes.
yeah,
Look
you
at
can see the difference. He's done with that one.
Good job, Jay.
And that's something that some of these cars, like going through all those spokes, probably hasn't been done in a long time.
Yeah. And you know, the next customer that gets them is going to drive them a little bit, Dalton, and get some of that dirty again, but they're not going to be hard to clean next time.
Yeah,
You know what I
probably
mean?
won't recognize this GTO anymore, but this is that 70 that had the Judge stripes on it.
Yeah, you probably get a good look. Man, he's got them both covered up now. But
Yep. But customer came and bought the car, loved the car, but he wasn't a fan of the Judge stripes, so he wanted us to take those off, and that's what we did. So now it's a black GTO.
I came in this morning, I was looking at that quarter all the way up and down the side. It freaking, you know, I like the Judge stripes, but I like it better without.
Yeah,
It's going to
that-
look way better.
It does look really nice. Straight car, it's the right car to
Probably
do
need
that.
some wheel well trim now, though.
Get a little more chrome to it.
Yeah, yeah.
I like it.
Great car, great customer.
Thanks for watching this week's Wednesday walk around. And like Chad said, make sure you check back next Wednesday to see these new inventory as they progress through the shop and get ready to do walk around and test drives on like these cars out here. But thanks everyone for watching every week. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.